How do I read and interpret stock charts? Well, if you want to read and interpret a stock chart, I want you to make sure that what you're looking at is a candlestick chart. I would suggest some form of technical indicator on it, whether it might be an EMA or an SMA or maybe RSI or maybe some standard deviation sort of stuff. It would be good to have some technical indicators if you're new, kind of put that stuff as kind of like training wheels. And then after you look at the stock chart, because it's a stock and not an index, I would also go study the company, its CEOs, the cash on hand, any sort of competitive advantage or disadvantage it has in the marketplace. And then from there, you can start making good decisions on where that company is, if it's a healthy price or unhealthy, and where you can buy in, which price might be best for you to do so, or which price you might want to sell from. And that's how I would begin to understand the stock chart. If you comment inventory in the comment section, I'll send you a real way to read the charts that'll never fail. Inventory as a voting system will help you with your analysis of stocks and everything else.